Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about the Honor Magic5 Pro, which is the latest flagship smartphone from Honor. It was just released and comes with some amazing features that we're going to explore in this video. Display. First up, let's talk about the display. The Honor Magic5 Pro comes with a 6.76-inch OLED display that has a resolution of 2772 by 1344 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. This means that the screen is super smooth and great for watching videos, playing games, or just browsing the web. Processor and storage. Under the hood, the Honor Magic5 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 octa-core processor, which is a really powerful chipset that can handle even the most demanding apps and games. It also has 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage, which is more than enough for most people's needs. Battery. Moving on to the battery, the Honor Magic5 Pro has a 5000 mAh battery that supports 66W fast charging and 50W wireless charging. This means that you can charge your phone quickly and easily, either with a cable or wirelessly. Camera. One of the highlights of the Honor Magic5 Pro is its camera setup. It has a quad camera system on the back, which includes a 108-megapixel primary camera, a 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a 13-megapixel periscope telephoto camera with 10x optical zoom, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. This means that you can take great photos and videos, whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or zoomed-in shots. There's also a 32-megapixel front camera for selfies and video calls. Connectivity and other features. In terms of connectivity, the Honor Magic5 Pro supports 5G, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS/AGPS, NFC, and USB Type-C. It also has an in-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock for added security, as well as stereo speakers tuned by Harman Kardon for an immersive audio experience. Overall, the Honor Magic5 Pro is a really impressive smartphone that has a lot to offer. It has a great display, powerful processor, long-lasting battery, and a versatile camera system, as well as some really handy features like wireless charging and stereo speakers. If you're in the market for a new phone, the Honor Magic5 Pro is definitely worth considering.